BLINDO is a 100% physical coating that contains a high percentage of last generation nano resins. It can recreate a new layer of clearcoat of considerable thickness onto the surface. BLINDO is repairable and repolishable, even after 30,000 kilometers after its application. It's a hard resin, but at the same time flexible, with a great capacity to absorb shocks and thermodynamics. BLINDO is a stratifiable Category 9H base coat that meets the needs of professionals who require high performance in terms of protection combined with a high curing speed. Even in cold temperatures with below 15 degrees, BLINDO stands out from all the coatings on the market due to its closing time, which occurs at low temperatures. BLINDO is a coating that needs a top coat, like our HPC, to elevate its performance in terms of self-cleaning, protection against chemical agents, aggression, increasing longevity, protective and hydrophobic capacity. To apply BLINDO, we need an applicator pad and a microsuede cloth. The surface must be perfectly clean and degreased. Use Veritas diluted 1:5 with water to remove any residue due to the previous polishing operation. Once the area to be treated is delimited, we will spread BLINDO with linear movements from top to bottom, from left to right, avoiding crossing again. Depending on the percentage of humidity and the temperature of the working environment, the product is left in place for about 1 to 3 minutes until a rainbow-colored streak appears. It is possible to remove excess product with a damp, short-haired microfiber cloth, making circular motions. At the end of the work, check with the lamp. In the follow 24 hours from the application, avoid contact with water and moisture. BLINDO does not contain any PFAS substances.
LaboCosmetica.